Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn a very beautiful style of dress. Step by step I will show you all measurements and see. First you need the total length, that is here 30 inches, but it totally depends. If you want a blouse or you want a full dress, you can take according to that. And for the width of the fabric, this is 13 inches in 4 fold. Actually it depends how how much you want your hemline, so according to that you can take the width. So here I'm just going to mark my armhole. So for that, first I need 2 inches width here at this point, and just mark this 2 inches. This is standard. So after marking this 2 inches, we need here the armhole depth, that is 7.5 inches. So you can take measurement on your body, or otherwise this is enough for a standard size body. And I just mark here again the 2 inches, and this way this is a rectangular type of thing, and then I will give here a curve for my armhole cutting. So till here, hope you understand. If any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, so every time I will upload a video you will get notification. And for that you need to hit the bell icon also. And if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button. So now just I cut this armhole. Now it's time to cut our sleeves. So for sleeves, I just take this 11 by 11 inches in 4 fold fabric, but this 11 inches also depend. If you want full sleeves, you can take more length, but I want only half sleeves. So, and I'm just putting my this leftover here and just cut my sleeve. Now it's time to first fold your hemline of your sleeve. This is hemline of your sleeve. Make sure you properly press it, and after that stitch this. So guys, for elastic, first we need measurement for this sleeve. You can take your measurement for the elastic, something like this, and just cut that piece and stitch on this hem line of your sleeve. So let me pin up it, but before mark it and then pin up it and then stitch. So guys, you can see what how beautiful it is now. So just stitch the side lines of your sleeve. This is the fitting line of your sleeve. Only this much you need to stitch here, and on both sleeve, and then I will show you how we will attach these sleeves with our body part. So now our sleeves are ready. It's time to stitch the fitting line of our dress. Put the right side on the right side, and from the wrong side you need to stitch the fitting line both from the right and left side. And guys, if you haven't pressed the like button, please hit the like button. It will really help me to make more tutorials. Thank you. So now after this side stitching, we need to press our hemline and then stitch the hemline. So now it's time to attach the sleeve. Our sleeve is on the right side and our dress is on the wrong side, and this U shape you have to attach something like this, and make sure you pin up it properly, especially this stitching line will meet with the stitching line. So that's how it should be fixed, and after pin up properly we will stitch this. So guys, now our sleeves are stitched. It's time to fold from here for the elastic. And here I'm folding it 2 inches or 5 centimeter. And make sure you fold it properly. For that, first press it properly and then go to the stitching. And after that we will stitch first the 1/2 inch and then the other 1/2 inch, means 2 stitching line will become here. So that's how you need to stitch. So I just complete this 1/2 inch stitching. Now I'm going to fold the other fabric, and we'll leave some space for putting the elastic and then stitch all the way. So that's how we will stitch this. So guys, this is stitch and you can see this is the opening. Now we need the elastic is depend if you want the off shoulder type of dress, you can measure something like this on your shoulder, or otherwise if you want simple dress you can measure your neckline. So it depends that what effect you want. According to that you can take your elastic. Here I'm taking 27 inches because I don't want very the off shoulder, but still you can use it as a off shoulder dress. So now I'm just going to insert the elastic, and after that I will stitch that elastic on the edges, and will show you the final result. Now you can just make sure that the elastic is equal all the way, and now our beautiful dress is ready. This is a perfect design for summer, even for kids you can make, or for yourself, and it depends. If you want the length full you can make it as a dress, or if you want the length short you can use this design as a blouse. So guys, please don't forget to give me your feedback. Please comment below if you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.